We're experiencing a spiritual reckoning, a truly momentous moment that requires strength, courage, and a whole lot of compassion for ourselves and each other. I'm Caroline Phipps, the founder of Living with Inner Elegance, and join me for my workshop, Keeping Your Sanity, Nurturing Resilience and Connection, on Tuesday, October the 28th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It will be an inspiring workshop, either in person at the Wisdom House Retreat and Conference Centre in Litchfield, Connecticut, or join online via Zoom. This workshop will be your space to recharge, reconnect, and learn real strategies for caring for your body, mind, and spirit. Let's keep the conversation going. Let's keep each other strong, and let's come together to work towards a more just and peaceful world for all. Whether you're returning to my Keeping Your Sanity workshop series or you're joining for the first time, you are so welcome. We'll share, explore, and grow together. Keeping Your Sanity, Nurturing Resilience and Connection workshop, either in person at the Wisdom House Retreat and Conference Centre in Litchfield, Connecticut, or join online via Zoom. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.